What's going on, guys? Devin here, back with Paramount Trading. Here's another video for you today. So we traded, let's see, three different stocks: Apple, SPY, and Tesla. Green on Apple on the short and the long side, so that was really nice today. The SPY completely screwed that up, and Tesla just a pretty poor trade. Shouldn't have even really been in that one. Let me go ahead and let's go over them. So Apple, first thing I was watching is we were kind of in this downwards wedge we've been forming. And the market yesterday was really weak, not looking that strong until later in the afternoon. And Apple was just at the open, just looking really strong, relative strength compared to the market. So today, I was expecting a little bit of bounce in the market to at least the pre-market highs or the gap fill today. So I was looking for Apple long off this 177.77 level right here that we've held as support, kind of a pivot a little bit yesterday, and that's what I was looking for. We were kind of above this channel here, so I want to see a strong move up. So basically, right at the open, as we dipped into this level, I was taking four 177.50 calls. So they're a little bit in the money, so I'm gonna have a higher delta on that move. I'm gonna get a little bit more profit out of it. So we jumped up to pre-market high here. I took two off. And then as we came up to the top here, I noticed we started wicking, we started to slow down a little bit, unable to really make solid new highs, and we were coming towards the double top into yesterday. That's when I took off the last two. We were just about to that level, slowing down the buying, and that's when I took off the last two. So I made 160 on that. I'm pretty happy with that trade. Yeah, I mean, maybe I could have even taken five contracts, but other than that, I think taking half off and taking the rest off. Maybe I should have taken only one off, held one, just in case it goes higher. But I knew the market was probably short-term bullish and more of a long-term bearish sign. They were going to start coming down. So pretty solid trade today. I'm happy with that one. I then, once we came up there and started slowing down, I knew the market, probably was going to turn a little bit. I grabbed 180 puts. So we're under 180, so they're going to be in the money, higher delta on those. And yeah, right as I sold the calls, I bought the puts near the top, and we came down a little bit. I took a couple off and started consolidating. We had another push down, I believe on this candle or one of these candles with the wicks, and I sold another one. And then once we had that huge push here, I sold the last one. And we're up more today. I could have held that, but yeah, I should have probably held one, but I just was trying to lock in something, give me a cushion on the day, and then with my next trades, I could really have this nice cushion to work with and make some more profit. Fairly happy with that. Glad that I was able to identify, okay, the long side isn't working now. I'm gonna hit it short for the move lower, and that's exactly what I did. So let's go over. I then took a trade on Tesla. Let's just go ahead and go over that one. Even though SPY trade is like the first one I took, but I'll go over that one last. 190 calls. Yeah, everything looked pretty bearish. I was looking at this chart and for some reason I thought, we were off this level, we went through, we came back up. I didn't actually have these trend lines here. That was after the fact. I think I had this line here, this short-term line, and I was seeing if maybe we're gonna start coming up, and I bought the calls right here looking for a breakout. I don't know. That really wasn't the play here. This is this doesn't even line up. I don't know. Something like that. I thought, okay, we're gonna downwards wedge, falling wedge. We're gonna break out, retest VWAP, maybe come up to this 189 level, but it just fell apart. And then we started forming what I thought was a flag right here, and that turned out not to be the case. We're actually forming a rising wedge. So that bearish and that fell apart. So, I stopped out 115 bucks. It shouldn't have been in the trade, really. It's not a strong setup, so that's whatever. Took $100 on that, unfortunately, and yeah, pretty poor. Shouldn't even been in that one. So let's go over the SPY. This is the one where I completely screwed it up. Let's see, 179 or 279 puts. Let's take a look here. Go right on the 5 minute. So basically we have, let me show you on 30 minute first. We have this level here, 279.92, which is the lows around here. We also have the gap fill, which is right here. I don't have the line, but it's pretty much the same spot as this level here. And I saw this level 279.37 that we failed to get above. The first day we got below yesterday, or yeah, we got below, we couldn't get above it. And then pre-market was also bouncing off of it this morning. I'm like, okay, this might be strong. We might not get the gap fill. We might go a little bit above, and then we're gonna, get that rug pull and just fall right through. So I took 4 contracts here at the open, and it didn't work. And I'm getting close to my $100 max loss. I'm thinking, okay, I'm right there, but we're coming up to this level here. I think this could be it. So I bought one more contract. I'm at 5 contracts. No, I had 5 here. I bought 6, and I'm sitting at like a little bit beyond max loss just on this. We go through. I'm like $70 in the red. And as we're coming back up, I'm just at way too much of a loss. I'm like, okay, one more tick on the SPY and I'm going to cut it. And that's what I did, right into about 7 cents off the gap fill, 8 cents off. Right at the dead bottom, I stopped out and it shot all the way through. It just got that one little push through, stopped everyone out, and then boom, rug pull. Kind of what I was expecting, but it happened a little bit later than I thought. And unfortunately, at this point, like I just screwed up this entire trade and I missed this whole move, the actual move I was looking for in the SPY. Right idea, what was going to happen today? Horrible timing, bad entry, and bad risk management. So that pretty much wraps up today, finishing down 76 on the day. Not horrible. Had an awesome month, and I think that's it. Just need to really focus on $100 losses, taking quality setups, and that's it. Just each day, base hits, hold a piece, and let it work for me. So on that, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell me what you think. What did you trade today? And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.